Assalamu alaikum and welcome to today's video on how to achieve a real glow-up in all aspects of your life as a Muslim girl, including your skin, hair, body, style, hygiene, and mind. A glow-up is not just about physical appearance, but also about feeling confident, healthy, and happy in yourself while staying true to your faith. Let's start with skin. To achieve glowing skin, it's important to follow a skincare routine that aligns with Islamic guidelines. Choose halal and cruelty-free skincare products that are free from haram ingredients. Incorporate natural ingredients like honey, oats, and rosewater in your skincare routine to nourish and hydrate your skin. Remember to drink plenty of water and eat wholesome foods to keep your skin healthy and radiant. Next, let's talk about hair. Taking care of your hair is important. Use halal and eco-friendly hair products that are free from haram ingredients. Incorporate oils like argan or coconut oil in your hair care routine to keep your hair moisturized and shiny. Consider styling your hair in modest and elegant ways that align with Islamic teachings. Moving on to body, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is key to achieving a glow-up. Eat a balanced diet that includes halal and tayyib food. Stay active by incorporating physical activity into your routine, such as practicing yoga or going for walks. Remember to prioritize modesty in your clothing choices and select outfits that are both stylish and appropriate for your faith. Now let's talk about style. Finding a modest and stylish wardrobe that reflects your personality and faith. Experiment with different modest clothing styles, colors, and patterns to find what makes you feel confident and comfortable. Invest in quality pieces that adhere to Islamic guidelines and suit your personal style. Hygiene plays a crucial role in achieving a glow-up as a Muslim girl. Follow Islamic guidelines for hygiene, such as performing ablution, wudu regularly, and maintaining cleanliness. Use halal and natural hygiene products that are gentle on your skin and adhere to Islamic principles. Pay attention to grooming details like modest makeup and maintaining hijab etiquette. Lastly, let's talk about mind. Achieving a glow-up is not just about physical appearance, but also about mental and spiritual well-being. Practice gratitude and mindfulness to cultivate a positive mindset. Seek knowledge and spiritual growth through Quranic recitation, dua, and surrounding yourself with positive influences. Take time for self-reflection and prayer to nourish your soul and align with your faith. Achieving a real glow is a holistic journey that encompasses taking care of your skin, hair, body, style, hygiene, and mind in a way that aligns with Islamic values. By incorporating these tips and practices into your daily routine, you can feel confident, radiant, and spiritually uplifted. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more Muslim lifestyle and beauty tips.